60-second styles. 005 didn't post and was deleted, so 006. 006 freestyle. You know my style will come through and break your face into 6 pieces because I'm that wild. Break you like stones and sticks as you do to a little child in Gaza, Africa. I laugh at you because you think I won't come after you. Rhymes that I speak will come after you. You better run faster than anything you could ever imagine. Rhymes that I speak are fat while you will remain rationed. You rely upon a fake world in order to survive and hold people down. Me, I always rise. It's a surprise that you can't even look at me in the eyes. And when you see me, you run or decide to hide. You realize that everything I do ain't fair. You couldn't even compare to me, let alone stare. When you see me, you run instead of stare. And then I jump out my chair and knock you down the stairs. Fuck that. You get hit in the back of the throat. You try to act like you bring hope, but you do nothing but suit people up with dope. You can't cope with nothing that I do.